All right. So what we're going to do now is create the different pages and make sure that they look all right. And we'll end up with 5 pages. So what we're going to do is you will have to sort of redo slightly some of this later on because we're going to be creating a responsive site. But I think it's really worthwhile you understanding what we're doing now. So what we've got at the moment is we've got an index page, which is our main page, and then we've also got a style sheet as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to sort of we're going to resave this index page for our different pages. Okay, so they all look the same. Um, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm in my index page, so it's on my web page, not my style sheet. Okay, and I'm just going to go to save as. And I'm going to call this, I think I've got one called gallery. Okay, and I'm just going to change that to gallery. So you can see I've got gallery up here now. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to change the title and I'm going to call this gallery. And I'm also going to say in this text here, I'm going to change this to H2 because it's slightly larger. And I'm just going to change this and I'm going to call this is the gallery page. Okay. Oh. So this is what this looks like now. So I've got my gallery page there. Okay. All right. Now, the other thing I need to do as well is I'll need to make sure that all these links work later on. But because I'm in my gallery page, I'm just going to grab this class. This is the bit which is the sort of bit where it's making the top bit live. I'll explain what I mean by that. It's making this highlight in green. Okay, so in our index page, okay, we had this class, so it's making this one live, this live. Okay, so those are the bits we have to change. Okay, and so what I need you to do is to just keep file save as each of the pages. So again, I'm just going to go back to my gallery page. I'm just going to grab this H2 stuff which I've changed there, and I'm just going to change it in my index page. Okay, I'm just going to change it to this is my home page. Okay, so I've done 2 of the pages. I need you to keep going back to the index page now, the one with the first page you made. Okay, so you can see there it says this is my home page. Okay, and then what we're going to do on this one, okay, is we're going to go save as, and I think one of them was contact. So I'm just going to call it contact. And the bits I need to change is I just need to change the title. Okay, I need to come down here and change this to the contact page and the class element as well. I'm just going to pop that in there, and then that one will be done. Now this is just be really meticulous about this and make sure that you're doing it bit by bit. Take your time, there's no rush. Okay, otherwise what will happen is you'll kind of starts making a mess of everything. So just remember to go back to the index page. Okay, and then you always working from that index page. I think another one was mine was about. It's pretty simple if you do it sort of methodically. Just from previous students, they don't do this methodically, and then they get into a bit of a pickle, and then it takes them a lot longer. Oh. So here's all about just taking your time, making sure that what you're doing is correct, okay, and then you can see that all those should be done. All right, so I think I've got my product one to complete, and then that should be done. Okay, good luck with yours.